Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing flights and shafts. This exposes the barrel and point so you can clean each part effectively. Use pliers only if pieces are tight, and mark orientation so reassembly is exact. Once done, wipe excessive dirt with a dry cloth to avoid spreading grime. You want parts organized in a tray. This prevents loss and speeds the process. Make sure to use a well-lit area so you can see micro scratches and thread dirt that requires attention in the next step. Now you dive into detailed cleaning. Soak metal barrels in warm soapy water briefly to loosen oils, then brush grooves gently with a soft brush to remove embedded particles. For coated barrels, use mild detergent and avoid abrasive pads to protect texture and grip. Clean threads and O-rings with Q-tips. Replace any brittle seals. Once finished, inspect points for burrs and straighten if needed. The why is simple. Small defects affect flight stability and scoring consistency, so be thorough before drying and reassembling. You finish by drying every component completely. Moisture causes corrosion and loosens adhesives. Use compressed air or a lint-free cloth to get into grooves, then let parts air dry for a few minutes. Reassemble in original orientation, hand-tightening shafts and checking flight alignment. Test by throwing a few practice darts and observe balance and grouping. If you notice wobble, misalignment, or inconsistent grouping, make sure threads and O-rings are intact and shafts aren't bent. Replace damaged.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.